Hi, I am putting this video out to answer a couple questions, and those questions are, why YouTube now? And is this guy serious or is he joking? Because I have my business name as my YouTube channel, and the answers are, I am serious about my woodworking. Am I having fun in some of my videos? Yes. And those are just two kind of sides to me. And I'm very serious about work and what I make. So I also make the silly, goofy videos because I like having fun. So, and people might like them, people might enjoy them. And I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube where people were promoting themselves, and they were being very, I don't know what would be a good description, pretentious and verbose, trying to sound Shakespearean, talking about themselves. And that threw me off because I understand fancy commercial and thing for a company that's been around 100 years. Okay, I understand the slow motion montages and classical music, but I've seen a lot of videos where people were, young upstarts and things like that, and they were taking themselves way too serious. So I didn't want to do, I don't want to do that. With my work, I'm serious, and so, but I like humor, I like making people laugh, so I make those videos too. And I make them to get people to watch them and hopefully lead them to my serious videos. And if a person wants to judge my work, then they can judge my work by my work itself, and not because I'm telling you that I'm great. So, like the one video I have, turkey call maker extraordinaire. I'm having fun, and I'm new to all this, so I don't have some fancy format set up. And so that's how it's going. The thumbnails in the videos seem to be, most of my videos where it's showing me work, seriously, they have thumbnails of my hands. So for those of you who do not like to laugh, or, like to take things very serious, if you look at my videos with just pictures of my hands and wood in them, then those are the serious videos. However, on the other hand, not all the videos with the thumbnail of just my face in them are joking around. Yeah, that wouldn't be good. So, some of those I'm talking about serious things, and some of them I'm having fun. So, yeah, I like laughing. I like making other people laugh. And want to attract people to what I do, because I've been woodworking for decades and making things for other people, but I haven't really promoted myself much. It's mostly been word of mouth and people requesting things to be made that knew me. So I've made things and I've sold them, but never online. And I'm at a spot in my life where I need to really do some real business and sell things. And I have all these things I've made, and it's time for me to share them with people. So that's why I'm on YouTube now, at this old age and all that. So I like having fun, but I show a lot of my work now. I've put out a lot of videos to show how I make things and craftsmanship, and hopefully my videos will get even better. Like I said, I'm sorry about the whole technical whatever. I'm not very savvy with all this stuff. I'm using my phone. So that's how it is. And I hope you enjoy my videos. Like I said, I put videos out there for fun. I want people to, check me out, of course. So if you want to have fun, I got videos for you. If you want serious woodworking, I got that too. All right, well, thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. And hopefully that will answer those questions. But yeah, folks, comment, send questions, or to the message thing. However that stuff works. I'm sure 99% of you folks out there know that stuff better than me. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching this. Please like, please subscribe, comment, and take care of yourselves and have fun.